So I did some work on this yesterday, and you can see how far I've come along on it. So we have the border going down to here on this side. Now, not all these are fastened in. These right here are not sanded yet on the edges. So all this and all this is not fastened down yet. All that is, and this is. And I was thinking about it. I got a couple ideas here on this, and I'm not sure which way I'm going to go. I'm going to do some more testing, but I may not go with the border all the way around. I had this thought this morning when I was waking up, had an idea, so I'm thinking about I'm going to do a little testing. I also am wondering what I should do in this area. I'm thinking about doing thinner pieces so that this sticks out more. So that's the other thing I'm debating. So that's where we're at. I'm going to do some testing and we'll do a video later as to what I decided.